A6 will be in the top first one and A1 will be in the second one. And 99 minus 89, that is 10, right? Getting it? A6 minus A1 equals to 10. Okay. Now what is A6 but here? This term. N equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A6 will be, we can directly write it, right over here. A1 plus N minus 1 in 5. Means N is 6 over here. Sixth term we are requiring. So N minus 1 means 5 into D. Okay. Means, see this, N means what? The term which we require, up to that term only we should consider. Means suppose if I require a 7th term, then N equals to 7. If I require 3rd term, then N equals to 3. Right? So N minus 1 means that number minus 1. So A1 plus 5D. Okay? Now, here, that's why I have written it how. Because this needs an explanation. Okay. These are all the examples I have given for this AN. A2, A3, you can directly come over here. So, it becomes what? A6 minus A1, we want this, equals to 10. So, A6 will be now what? A1 plus 5D, right? Minus A1 equals to 10. So, 5D equals to 10, D equals to 2. Okay, now you got D. Now, once you get D, then what is required? We require the 8th term, A8. Okay, 8th term is what? A1 plus N minus 1 into D, means A1 plus 7D, right? This is what is required. Okay, now what do we have? We know D, but do we know A1? No. So we have to find A1. How? See here, find A1. How? A1 plus A5 equals to 10. It's given over here. Sum of the first and the fifth term is 10. So A1 plus A5 equals to 10. But what is A5? A5 means what? A1 plus 4D equals to 10, right? A plus N minus 1 into D. So add them. 2A1 plus 4 into D, you know now. Okay. So 4 to the 8. Therefore 2A1 plus 8 equals to 10. Solve this. 2A1 equals to 2, A1 equals to 1, right? So we got A1 now. Now what we want then? Nothing. 8th term. A1 plus 7 into D, that is 1 plus 7 into 2. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.